Welcome to the breakdown of Swarigio's 3 core pillars, the quiet client acquisition system designed for high-level entrepreneurs. If you're a founder or high-level entrepreneur, you know the struggle of the content treadmill. The core problem is this: visibility without systems is just noise. Posting more won't fix a broken business mechanism. Swarigio's solution is building quiet lead machines, automated backend infrastructures that convert followers into clients automatically. Let's dive into the first core pillar, the pipeline. The pipeline is all about building 24/7 AI-driven sales funnels. This is your engine for continuous growth. These funnels automatically filter and qualify inbound traffic, ensuring you only engage with high-intent prospects. The outcome is a predictable, quiet inbound lead flow that eliminates manual prospecting and panic posting. The second core pillar is the positioning. Positioning is the branding strategy designed to make competition irrelevant. We achieve this by crafting your category of one, a unique position where you are the only solution. The result is a brand that earns respect and natural demand, rather than one that needs to shout for attention. Finally, we focus on the third core pillar, the conversion. The conversion utilizes psychology-backed content assets and scripts that drive action. These assets pre-sell high-ticket clients, ensuring leads arrive at your calendar already convinced and ready to commit. This guarantees that your high-ticket offers close consistently, turning followers into loyal clients. It's crucial to understand what Swarigio delivers. Swarigio is focused entirely on building back-end client acquisition systems. We build infrastructure, not campaigns. This is not social media management, chasing virality, or adding to the noise. This is about lead independence and own data. If you're a qualified founder ready to stop the content treadmill and install a predictable system, here is your next step. Are you ready to install your own quiet lead machine and transition from manual effort to automated leverage? DM the word audit to Vishal Baurai on Instagram @Vishal Baurai to see how these systems can be installed in your business.